I feel like what's unique about our company is that we are a small company, we are growing rapidly, we are very passionate about what we're doing. We have the desire to learn and grow and really excel at what we do. We want to be the best company to work for in the Inland Empire. And I think that makes the difference when we offer service to our customers. We try and make that carry through so that people can feel that passion. It's not just another mundane job, oh, we're showing up at the office, it's Monday. We really want to be passionate and to be able to provide that service that people care about and that makes a difference in the way that they run their business.